Dear student, in the first part of video of this chapter, you know about the minerals, type of minerals, use of minerals and distribution of minerals not only all over the world but also in India. Power or energy plays a vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as a conventional and non-conventional source of energy. इसको हिंदी में परंपरागत ऊर्जा के स्रोत और गैर परंपरागत ऊर्जा के स्रोत के नाम से जाना जाता है. Conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. यानी इसका इस्तेमाल बहुत पहले से हो रहा है. Firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy sources. Firewood. It is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from firewood. Fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are what the remains of plants and animals converted into after they remained buried under the earth for millions of years. Fossil fuel such as coal, petroleum and natural gas. These three are very important as a fossil fuel. The reserves of these minerals are limited. The rate at which the growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation. इसका इस्तेमाल बहुत तेज़ी से हो रहा है और यदि कंजर्वेशन पर ध्यान नहीं दिया गया तो फिर ये समाप्त हो जाएंगे. और इसी बात को ध्यान में रख करके वर्तमान समय में पूरे विश्व के देशों के द्वारा कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी के कंजर्वेशन पर ध्यान दिया जा रहा है. कोल. Coal is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines and to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power project. The leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa and France. In India, the main coal producing state are Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal. Petroleum. Petroleum is a thick black liquid fossil fuel found between layers of rocks and drilled from oil field. Petroleum goods, also known as black gold. The use and importance of the petroleum considered as a black gold. Major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela and Algeria. In India, Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari river. Natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. Russia, Norway, UK and the Netherlands are the major producer of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura and some areas offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Hydel power. Tidal power is the energy possessed by river water or rain water falling from great heights. The falling water flows through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of dam. The moving blades then turn in the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. The leading producers of tidal power in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil and China. Some important tidal power station in India: Bhakra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar and Damodar Valley project. Non-conventional sources of energy. The increasing use of fossil fuel is leading to its shortage. Solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy are main source of non-conventional source of energy. Solar energy. Solar energy is the heat and light energy captured from the sun. Solar energy is also used in a solar heater, solar cookers, solar dryers, besides being used for community lighting and traffic signals. Wind energy. Wind energy is the energy possessed by moving air or wind. Wind mills have been used for grinding grain and lifting water since time immemorial. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA and Spain are noted for their wind energy production. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is energy possessed by the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. The leading producers of nuclear power are USA and European country. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposits of uranium. Thorium is found in large quantities in the monazite sands of Kerala. The nuclear power stations in India are located in Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh and Kaiga in Karnataka. These 6 important nuclear power plants in India. Some new nuclear plants established by the government. Geothermal energy. Heat energy obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. The temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily as we go deeper. This heat energy can be used to generate power. Geothermal energy in the form of hot springs has been used for cooking, heating and bathing for several years. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plants, followed by New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines and Central America. In India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Tidal energy. Energy generated from the tides is called tidal energy. Tidal energy can be harnessed by building dam at narrow opening of the sea. During high tide, The energy of the tides is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Russia, France, and the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat, India have huge tidal mill farms. Biogas, organic waste such as dead plant and animal material, animal dung, and kitchen waste can be converted into gaseous fuel called biogas. Biogas is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produce huge amount of organic manure each year. Biogas, also known as energy of future. Dear student, in this part you know about the power resources, type of power means conventional source of energy, non-conventional source of energy, and their basic features.